Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Confirm the exact file name, extension, and the folder path so you target the right item. Once done, stop all writes to that drive or folder because new data can overwrite the old file's blocks. Make sure you know whether the file lived on an HDD, SSD, or cloud service, since recovery methods differ. On SSD, the chance falls fast due to trim. Finally, prepare a separate recovery drive to receive any restored data. Start by checking built-in versioning. On Windows, look for shadow copies, on Mac OS Open Time Machine, and on Linux, check snapshots. If no versions exist, create a full disk image to another drive so you never write to source. Then run a reputable recovery tool in read-only mode against the image to scan for deleted file entries and older file data. You should filter results by file name and modification date to quickly find the replaced file copy and avoid false positives. For cloud or synced folders, inspect the service's trash, file history, and activity logs right away. Many providers keep prior versions for days or weeks. Once you recover a candidate, validate it by opening or checksum comparison, then copy it to a safe location. If you can't find the file, stop attempts that write to the source and consider a professional forensic lab with preserved images and logs. If things go wrong, rescan the image with another tool or use older images as alternate sources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.